Nagano. In the middle of Nagano, near the Matsumoto or Shiojiri area, there's a famous fried chicken called Sanzoku-Yaki. Sanzoku meaning mountain pirate, or I guess bandit would be a closer word. But anyway, it's a crispy fried chicken that's juicy on the inside. Similar to karaage, but unlike karaage, we'll fry the whole piece of chicken and then cut it on the plate. This is a great local specialty if you're in Nagano, but if you can't make it to Nagano, I'll show you how to make it at home. Okay, let's get started by marinating the chicken.
We will use a whole boneless chicken thigh, which I recommend marinating in a resealable plastic bag like this. We will start with a little salt and a few cracks of fresh black pepper. To that, we will add some grated ginger and grated garlic. Add a tablespoon each of sake, mirin, and soy sauce. Seal up the bag and squeeze out as much air as possible. Give it a little massage until it is thoroughly coated, like this. Give it a little tap for encouragement and set aside to marinate for at least 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the vegetable garnish. Peel off a few leaves of cabbage, cut them in half so they are large pieces like this. Set these aside. I'll show you what to do with them later. The rest of the cabbage we will shred and soak in cold water. This will make it super crispy on the plate. Let's wash some lettuce and tear it into pieces, until it looks like this when dropped in slow motion. The red pepper we will cut off the top and turn it on its head, and cut each section off, leaving just the center. Now we can easily cut them into thin strips. The red onion will also slice thinly and break apart. Lastly, a lemon. Let's cut a few lemon slices for the garnish because fried chicken loves lemons. Now that the chicken is marinated, let's get a tray and coat it in some starch. Plop a couple tablespoons of starch gracefully and spread it out evenly. Lay the chicken in the starch on each side until it is evenly coated. This will keep it crispy on the outside and juicy inside. Unlike karaage, we won't be using any flour, and this is the secret to making it super crispy.
Okay, we have everything ready for Sanzoku-Yaki. We have our chicken marinated and coated in starch, and we have our vegetables for later, which we'll just set aside. Let's get our oil started. Okay, so we're just heating our oil to 170 degrees Celsius or about 340 degrees Fahrenheit for the first fry. Okay, so let's come back when it's up to temperature. Okay, so it's about 170 degrees now, a little bit over, but that's all right. As always, it'll go down a little. So let's get our chicken in. I have my landing spot ready. Always important to be organized. I'm gonna lay this in a way. Be very careful. Okay, here we go. So we'll fry that for about 4 minutes on each side. Give it a flip. Ooh. Okay, so it's fried for about 7 minutes, but we're not done yet. So let's take it out once. Ooh. We just finished one fry, but it's gonna go again one more time. Let's let it rest for 5 minutes. And in the meantime, we will let our heat get up to 200 degrees. So let's come back when our oil's at 200 degrees. Hey, if you're finding this video useful, leave a like. I'd really appreciate it. 199. Okay, so it's just come back up to temperature. It's rested a bit, so we'll get ready for our flash fry. Be careful. Very hot. And we're just gonna flash fry this for 2 minutes. Oh God. All right, we'll kill the heat. Look, it's so tender, a piece already came off. So it's finished its flash fry. Be careful, it's very hot, so it could burn quickly. You want to keep it moving. But this looks great right here. Let's let it cool a bit. We'll cut it and then plate. Let's give it a cut. It's so juicy and tender. So we have it sliced. A little bit of cabbage, some greens, some red onions, some red peppers. The garnish is up to you. This is how I had it when I was in Nagano last. I guess these pieces will be the chef snack. Garnish with a little couple of lemon wedges. Some shichimi. Tender juicy chicken, crispy crust, Sanzoku-Yaki. Let's give it a taste. The outside's a little crispy, the inside's juicy. Looks great. You can dip it in the Shichimi Mayo. That crunch is fantastic. So remember those cabbage leaves from earlier? This is actually a popular way to eat it. You can take a piece of chicken and eat it like a wrap. It's crispy, it's fragrant, juicy. What more can you want? So there it is, Sanzoku-Yaki. It's a Nagano specialty that you can easily try at home. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe for more recipes just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.